Hey guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to host a Lovable website on Hostinger. So first, purchase and set up hosting. Log into your Hostinger account and create one. Choose and purchase a hosting plan that fits your needs. In H panel, that is your Hostinger's dashboard, find your hosting plan and click Set Up. Then select or register a domain. So use an existing domain, register a new one through Hostinger, or choose a temporary domain. Then complete the domain verification or connection steps as prompted. Then upload your website files. So go to Files and open the File Manager in H panel. Navigate to the public HTML folder. Upload your website files like HTML, CSS, JS, images, etc. just right here. If your files are zipped, upload the zip, then extract it inside public HTML. Alternatively, you can use FTP software like FileZilla with your Hostinger FTP credentials to upload files directly to public HTML. Now, check your website. So open your domain in a web browser. Your website should appear live. If using a new domain, DNS propagation may take few hours. Optionally, you can set up SSL. So in H panel, go to the SSL section and activate a free SSL certificate for your domain for secure HTTPS access. Optionally, you can create email accounts and manage settings. Use H panel to set up custom email addresses and manage domain settings as needed. And your Lovable website is now live on Hostinger. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.